Good afternoon, everybody. Well, shit. Good afternoon, morning, everybody. Oh my God. Good afternoon, morning. That's funny. Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a blessed weekend. Hope it was fantastic. 5/20/24. What a fun, fantastic morning this is. Great weekend me and Bree had. Hope you all did too. Signals firing off left and right. Almost end of May. That's crazy. Oh shit. My sister's birthday. Have to get her some nice things. Do rules. Rules are being updated as you speak. We need to put that up here. I can't forget about it. Do rules. All right. Is this done? Let's see. Today's date. Let's head over here. Yep. I think we're live. Okay. Are we live on TikTok? No, we are not. All right. Now we're live on TikTok, I believe. Shoot, where's my say? Oh, the internet went down the other day. Fuck. Hope it restores those pages. Yeah. Awesome. All right. We're live on TikTok. Yay. We're live on YouTube. Triple yay. All right. Let me get my things going. All right, peeps. We got a lot to cover today. Let me get my, well, do oxygen this way. That's fine. Let's see. Mr. C, R. Marcus, D-Man, welcome on TikTok, YouTube. What's up, Dub Nation Gaming? What's up, Dad Bod and Hot Rods? Good morning, Philip. Good morning, Jason and Julius and Rocket and Mr. C for being on both. Thank you, Casey McMahon. Good morning. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Chad Worthington. Oh, that's you, Chad. That's funny. What's up, Chad? Thank you for the thumbs up both on TikTok and YouTube. And I got to get things rolling over here. We got so much to go over. I don't have a lot of time. I have about 45 minutes this morning. It'll be enough, though, to do what we got to do. Put this over here. All right. Rules. We got to go over that. I have Britt today at 3:30. All right. Oh, I got to schedule Coach Ryan. See, I got so many things to do. All right. And then I go over you guys with all that. Okay. Morning, Jay Park. What's up, Peter P? Good morning. Great morning it is. You're right. What's up, Larry Cooper? What's up, Larry? It's my time. Good morning. Larry, thanks for being on both. What's up, George? Hi. What's up, Eric R? D-Man, thanks for being on both. TikTok and YouTube, appreciate it. 2 trades open. Both are SPX. This is an account from beginning of May. Started with $57 in it. We're at 210, 410. We're like 450 now. These are buy. This is a buy from 517. This is a buy from 5.3. Both are in the money. It's only 2 trades I have open in this account. So pardon me just for a second here. Get some of this shit out of the way. Think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good on TikTok and YouTube. All right. It was an obvious buy stop called out by the system, the signals, by your own knowledge of what you're seeing. This was a buy stop this morning on all 3 indices. All 3 indices calling for a buy. NAS, US 30, and of course SPX. Not only did it do it, it did it perfectly, flawlessly. If you guys can't tell what this is a buy stop after all this time, I really don't know how to help you. Not trying to be mean. Just trying to be real, though. This is ridiculously a buy stop. Let's see something. I don't know. We'll get back to that one, I guess. All right. So all the buys are in the money from this morning. This is SPX you're looking at. Green, green, green. Sniper buy. Signal buy. And then, of course, it was a buy. Same exact formation here for NAS buy. I mean, again, if you guys can't see this, you need to go back to your basics, go back to your training video. Anyone that has seen this system or has system knows completely what this is. This is a buy stop from miles and miles and miles away. Let me make this a little smaller. We'll make it like a orange. There we go. So right inside of here is what we're looking at. Right inside of here is what we're seeing. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Sniper low, buy stop. That's not, this exact same pattern is not just for NAS. Exact same, but even though it's just a different symbol, that's SPX. And this is US 30. They're all the same. And of course, they all went up. And you're in the money. So that's why I took the trade. Good morning, Adam. Morning, Jeremy. Morning, Jay Parker. Morning, Ben. What's up, Ben? What's up, JTF6? Good morning, sir. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Boost. Naz and Gold pay me in bacon this morning. Nice. Congratulations, Boost. What's up, Susie? Good morning, Susie. Good morning, John C. What's up, Kimberly Harrington? What's up, Kim? What's up, Craig? I was just reading what Chad was saying. Good. Get those charts set up. Kimberly, Susie. What's up, Kent? Good morning, Kent. Hope all of you caught the easy buy stop. Not only was it here, it was actually called out in our signal rooms. 100% again. That thing never misses. It was just amazing. Amazingly accurate. Now, one thing I do want to check, which I'm not sure on. This is a secondary signal, JP225. JP225, so it must be the Japan 225. I have no idea. We'll check it, though. I want to see how that call out was. This morning, a 1 hour, 10-minute aggressive buy stop for US 30 was called out in the signal room. This is today, May 20th. Just so you know, May 20th, US 30. And this is an older one. So there was a US 30 through the signal room called out. It played out perfectly. And then I do want to go to this machine gun room and check this one. And let's check it. So it's Japan 225. To be honest with you, I don't think we've ever looked at Japan 225. Not saying whatever, but I don't think we have. Let's take a look at Japan 225. It's JP 225. Let's see what pops up. Does it have it for Oanda? It does. All right, let's take a look. Yeah. Now let's go to the daily. It is the daily. How gorgeous. So it called out a buy stop. What time was that? You go, little signals. Now, this is how you read this. If this was a daily buy stop and it was called this, you can go to the daily right here. Let me go this over here. And you can see that it was a buy stop. You could enter a market order and you'd have been in the money. If you didn't want to enter the market order, these are rules for entry for you. You can go to the 4-hour, and you can see if this was a 4-hour buy stop, and it was called, and it was not. So this was a daily buy, and it's in the money. Now, if you didn't want to take it, let's go over to the rules. Oh, shoot, fire. Hold on. Remember, we are the only, forgot about this. We are the only trademarked, United States of America, from the Patent and Trademark Office. We are the only trading system in the world that has a registered trademark. That's got to mean something. The Fed, besides I can sue you guys for trying to steal something, it also means it's legit. The Safety Trade System is issued to me, to Kevin Grego, of course, my wife, Class 41, coaching in the field of generational wealth. Not only do we have a trademark on it, we have a patent pending, we have an NDA, and it's enforceable in 80 countries. We only had to sue one person. Remember, don't try to take something that's not yours. I spent my whole life developing the system. The fuck if you guys ever think you're going to steal something from me. Good luck with that. So this is what we're looking at. I am not a financial advisor. So because we're looking at things like this, some of you get confused. Say, oh, no, we demo trade only. Read the legal disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Keith isn't a financial advisor. No one in my wife isn't a financial advisor. My brother, whoever calls into the show, Pete, anybody that calls into the show, none of us are financial advisors. We are strictly social media influencers, if that. And remember, you guys are all grown adults. Make your own damn decisions. So if you understand this system is copyright protected and we are not financial advisors, please type yes. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at that shit. I've never looked at Japan 225, yet the signal service made a call that was 100% correct. What's up, Quentin? What's up, Linda Brown? Good morning, Flight 379. Thank you, Mr. C, and thank you, Julius and Kent, for speaking up and saying yes. Matt Parker, Boost, Jeremy, good morning. Ben, good morning. HTF6, good morning. Okay, I didn't miss anybody. Easy buy stop. I know, right, Susie South? Don't you wish every morning was that easy for all three of them? All right. So there we go. Awesome job, guys. So this is a signal. I'm going to explain to you again. It was called out in our machine gun. If this is for JP225 daily. This is a daily. You can go ahead and use the signal as a buy. This was green, 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 green. It's a buy stop. You can literally enter in to this signal based on the fact this was a buy. So you could have took the signal this morning. Hold on. What time was that? It was at 107 on this. Oh, I'm sorry. This is 107 on the 17th. My bad. I'm sorry. Which is even better for you guys. You took the signal. So on this on the 17th, let's go back to the 17th. Let's open this up. Let's mark it actually. 16th and 17th, maybe. Right here. There we go. All right. So this signal right here that was called out, Jesus, on the 17th. Look at the fucking money you guys would have made from here to here. You'd have made 800 pips on Japan. I don't even know what it is. Japan 225. I'm assuming it's their top 225 stocks or some shit. If you'd have listened to this signal. So there it is. Now watch. This is what happens. Say you don't want to take that buy. You go to your 1 hour charts and look for the Hydra 2.0 signals. So once this comes up with more signals, right? Once it starts pile driving these buy stops, in which we can look and see if it did. Let's go down to the to our signal charts here. Okay, was there any machine gun signals? Now I'm set up here. This is for the daily, right? So let's go look at our daily. On the top is a blank slate. I can trade anything I want or look at anything I want. Bottom left, this is our daily machine gun. We click on it, thanks to Metal Mind. We go in. There's the signal. Actually, so it was the end of the 16th is when this was. Wow, what the fuck? Look how good that signal was. This is the machine gun signal daily. It'll be MGD on there, or DMG is what it's going to be, actually reversed. So this will be your signal. You could take that signal or not. That's up to you. So that's our daily one. Now we come over to this one, and this one is our daily 1 hours. So it's the 1 hour, 15 minute, 30 minute, 10 minute, and 5 minute signals. Let's see if it called out any signals after this. And there hasn't been any yet after the purple line here. So there's been no signal called out for on that particular one. Now the new one, the thing that's going to blow your guys' mind, this is a faster version. These ones will be called out when it happens on the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Holy shit. And I don't think, let me go back, there was any called out since the orange, but we'll have to see on that. Hold on. Oh, there was. There you go. Hold on. Where's our orange little line at? Oh, there's going to be a lot. I forgot we're on the 15-second chart here. Holy cow. Hold on. We might not even, oh, there's shit tons of them. Look at them all. Oh, my God. There it is. So this is our purple line that was called out for the daily. You wait. Here's your first 30-second buy stop. These are the machine gun trades that start firing off over and over again. None of you have this yet, but it will be implemented into the automatic trading into your rooms in Discord shortly. It'll be on your charts, but for sure by the second week of July. You'll be able to have this on your own charts if you're tier 3 by the second week of July. Look at it. So this will be the first call official all market. Let's change the color. We'll change it to a blue. Then we'll come back here. We'll get off of this one. Poop. And then, so inside of here, you can see it clearly on this one. It started making its calls for the buys. So I won't be able to make the system work because Keith, our master coder, the great Keith Palmer, the unbelievable, I mean, ain't no better person in the world, or ain't no better coder in the world. I was talking out my ass and saying we can go to monthly. We can't. There's not enough historical data. So we were only able to go to weekly. So you'll have correct calls from now on near, I say 100%, but whatever, 90. If it isn't 80% or better, I'm deleting the whole fucking thing. So it's going to be 80% or better calls, which is now at 100%. But you'll have at least 80% correct calls for weekly, dailies, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds. You'll have at least an 80% win rate through weekly through 30 seconds. And that's a fact. We've got the weekly done. Okay? So, does everybody understand how I went through the Discord? I showed you this last call out for a daily JP225. Pulled it up, showed you the daily buy you could have took back here, showed you the entrances you could have made on the 15-second, 30-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute trades. And there they are. And that's how you'll utilize the machine gun trades. You'd be up over 800 pips if you'd have listened to the call outs. By the way, these are signal to signal call outs, meaning you don't have to fucking know anything anymore. You just listen to when there's a buy on the daily, and then you look for the next buy on the 15-second, 30-second, if you like the 15-minute, 10-minute, 30-minute. So signal to signal trading. I can't make it any easier for you. Well, I know there's one way, but I'm not doing that. So sevens, if you understand what I went over, as it's going up before your very eyes, by the way. Flight 379. There's one person. Thank you, Flight. So I started off showing you guys how to do it with just a regular green, 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 red, all three indices. We went over to JP225, showed you on the daily, then showed you on the 1 hours. Then I showed you on the mediums, the 15-minute, 30 minutes, and I showed you on the fast. No one on TikTok or no one on YouTube understands? Thank you, Pete. And we'll probably have Peter P on tomorrow morning, I think. Look at that shit. Amazing. Oh, I didn't see all the stuff. What's up, Big Kuna? It's marine friendly. Good morning. I didn't see all the messages. Sorry. Good morning, Tom. They'll be trying to tax demo money. I just saw your message. That's funny. Good morning, Maxwell. Amazing money. Demo money. Correct. Kimberly, I thought it called a sell. Where did it call a sell, Kim? I'm sorry. Which room were you in? Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Metal Mine. What's up, Metal Mine? Thank you so much for that alt thing. That's so fantastic. Go in and out. Good morning, Kelly McMahon again. Google's in profit. The JP 2025. Oh, it did call it. Kim's so smart. I'm going on and on and on about a daily buy, and it's a sell. That's why we need this thing. I didn't want to tell you guys what's coming up. Shit. Here, hold on. Do I want to remove all these? Let me go to the daily over here real quick. Let's use this thing. And we go to the weekly. What I didn't want to tell you guys is it did call a sell, Kim. I was going on and on about nonsense, actually. So you're right. Thank you, Kimberly. So what we have is going to be on the screen right here. This is thanks to Keith's great mind and thinking. It's called, well, we don't know what it's called yet, but we're going to be looking at what's called a trend table. So the trend table, when we click on it, so you don't have the same mistake I just fucking did, it doesn't matter because it's actually a weekly buy, and the weekly one, hey, can we see the weekly? Do I have the weekly coded up? Hold on. That's a great catch, Kim. I love Kim. Hold on, though. I want to see something. Let me see if the weekly is available. Keith just coded it, but hold on now. What was that? JP225. So what we're working on, that was JP225. And Oyanda, right? Yeah, there it is. Hold on. I don't know if Keith has it done. I mean, I know he has it done. I don't know if I have it on my charts yet, though. Hold on. Indicators. Well, hold on here. We have the weekly now overriding the No. We have the weekly one done, and I know he shared it. We have too many fucking things. No. You see all these things he's coded? And then we've gone over, and I've fucking had to do order of operations for 100 times more than this. And then Keith codes up what we go over, and then he codes up all these, and out of all these, you guys get like 1 or 2 of them that are usable. Hold on. Look at all these. Do you see all these? You want to code all those fucking things? And then people still complain. Full mini, no. 424. Where is the Walmart MG oil hourly new? Let's see. So this is just the test. We're actually finished that up. Hydra BS. No. Damn. What did he call the weekly? Might have to write them. We have the weekly done. Fuck. Boy. Yeah, there's not a full name here. I don't know about these. I could have swore it was the WD something. Hold on. But we have a weekly signal now that will override that sell, was the whole point of this. Sorry, I don't mean to bore you guys to sleep, but you see all this shit and work Keith has done? And then just imagine, before we got to the point where you can code any of these, notice any of the words right here? Oh boy, look at that. But before we can code any of these, we have to go through hundreds of different scenarios that I test out by myself usually, and then I test the better ones with Keith, and then from the ones that me and Keith test manually, then he codes it into what you're looking at here. Can you guys fucking give Keith a big round of applause, please? And damn, if I can't find that weekly, he's probably laughing at me. It's probably right there. Fuck. Damn. Well, I don't know where it is, but we have a weekly code, Kim, that overrides this one now. It'll say weekly buy, so it'll avoid that. Just so you know. Sorry. Mad props to Keith. A commendable skill. I've done my fair share. It is time to correct, Metal Mind. Yep. No problem, brother. Another tip. Up and down. Yeah, I know the up and down arrow one. Thank you, Metal Mind. That one I knew. Yeah, thank you, Chad. Chad's Worthington's Keith's son. Sorry, on YouTube, says Chad. All right. So there we go. So, but it is so fucking cool. It's a very good point that Kim has brought up, because on the daily, this is nothing more than a daily, weekly buy. And Keith, we figured out the order of operations, and Keith coded up. I'm positive we have it because, yeah, I'm positive we have it. Son of a bitch. So, but we have the weekly now that overrides the daily. So now you'll see a daily buy stop right here. And yes, it works perfectly. And we tested it. Hold the fuck on. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. I'm 100% positive. I mean, we tested it yesterday. Fuck. There's just so many things that we look at and go over. So this one isn't there. Because it's DMG and then it's WG. Fuck. I don't know which one it was. I'm on my other computer. And which one would we have had that was calling that? And he put the code in. 2.0 Hydra, 1 hour. It's not the 1 hour. I'm going to look over here real quick. Give me just a second again. And then let's, one more time. Personal. Hydra. Machine gun final. Machine gun safety. 518 weekly. Is there a 518 weekly? Ho, ho, ho. I got it. Keith's going to laugh at me. You know what? It isn't here. That's why I have to refresh this. Hold on. I don't know why TradingView is like that sometimes. Let's reload. All right. Now let's go over here. And now it's personal. Let's go to 5. There it is. Weekly. Haha. I stand vindicated. And now let's see what happens. And this is a weekly. Let's go over to weekly and see. There it is. Ha 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 ha. Motherfuckers. All right. I know I'm a little slow. Never said I was the fastest person on the block. There it is. See your weekly at WMG. I always wanted to be MGK and MGK, but we can't do it. We get sued by Machine Gun Kelly anyways. So it's DMG. In this case, it's WMG. Yay. Thank Keith. Well, thank you, me, for not giving up and knowing that the fucking shit was there. All right. So what is it going on and on about? We had a problem. Yes, Chad. There you go, Chad. Thank you, Chad. 518 weekly machine gun. It wasn't there because it wasn't refreshed. So does everyone see that this is a buy stop called before the weekly sell stop, daily sell stop? The weekly buy was called before the daily sell. And that's the order when you'll be looking now from the higher time frames. So there you go. Yay. Thank you, Chad. So there it is. This is your buy. And this is even better. That means you guys had no fucking excuses not to get in this trade because it would have been called 1, 2, 3 weeks before it even went up. All right. Kim, does that make sense to you, I hope? Now, Keith's going to kill me on this one, but I'm going to do it anyways. Keith goes, when are you going to go on live? I go, probably this evening. Here I am like 2 hours later. But look, this right here is going to have a trending box in here called a trend table. So in the trend table will be up and down arrows for the weekly, daily, and the 1 hours. Now, this is why this is important, because if there was a weekly trade call, you will only look for daily buys, 4-hour buys, 1-hour buys, and so on. So if there was a daily buy called, you'd only look for 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute. And if there was a 1 hour trend with an up arrow, then you'd only look for 5-minute, 3-minute, 1 minute, and 30-second buys. So we're going to tell you on your screen, if you have the tier 3, which way you should be looking for buys. Tier 1, tier 2, you'll have to manually do it. On tier 3s, you'll literally see it on your screen with a trend table. So isn't that the coolest thing? I swear, if you guys understood that, you'd be like jumping up. Because otherwise, manually, the people on tier 1, tier 2, all I can do is, hey, if this is a daily sell, blah, 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 you have to go back to it. Yeah, this Yuta Chef is a killer. This is also something being fixed by Keith as we speak. This is just telling you over and over again the same trade. So this Yuta Chef buy was a 30-minute, was a 30, was a 15, was a 10. It's only supposed to call out one time, 5-minute, 15. So it kept calling the same trade because it doesn't have the right reset on it. So that's all. Now we can go to Yuta Chef and see. But it shouldn't call this many times. Yes, we're aware of the issue. And yes, it's being corrected. So if you miss the trade or if you don't see the trade, that's on you because it called it out like fucking 30 times already. So let's go over to Yuta Chef and see. USD CHF is the pair we're talking about. Let's go down, down to the daily and the 4 hour. the 4 hour. Let's pull it up now. All right. So it's calling out these buys. And let's see what happened with it. Oh, I see what happened with it. Let's open this up. Boop. Let's come over to here and see. Gee whiz. It was calling out buys. Did anyone take this trade? Look at the machine gun signal telling you over and over. Trust me, it called out every one of these motherfucking things. I don't give a shit. You guys believe or don't believe. It's in our Discord 20 times to buy UTSHF, buy UTSHF, buy USD, over and over again. Look, there they are. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, winner, 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 winner. You're under the rules have been modified. You're supposed to take the first 3. All 3 of those could have been market orders. You'd have made money on all 3 buys. There it is. There she blows. And it kept calling it. And when you squish it together, it looks like a machine gun. That's why we call it the machine gun trade. Multiple firings. Over and over again, all correct. How do we buy these signals again, Kev? Sales mode. Oh, how to buy them. That's funny. I really like that. Makes complete sense. Okay. The signal service is available. Only people have the system. You have to spend $5.75 for the system, and then you can get the signal services. Now, in the future, we will be selling the signals by themselves. You'll be paying basically $800 a month for the signals if you want them by themselves. But they're that good. I'm literally going to open them up to, you don't even have to have the system. And people are like, oh, but you force people to learn. They'll learn. They'll want to know how to read them. I promise you they will. How do you get them? Swing over to here. Spend your $5.75 at thesafetytrade.com. Then you can sign up for the signals afterwards. $150 for, oh, and we're going to double up the signals, by the way. How many you get? So tier 1 right now, tier 1s, you get 5 signals. We're doubling that to 10. Tier 2, you get 10 signals. We're doubling that to 20. Tier 3 a month, you get unlimited signals plus all the indicators on your charts. Could have checked Gary Network. Sure, Disclosure Crypto. Gary Network. I do believe that was already done once. Wasn't that Gary or was that somebody else? Snowflake. Shit. I'll have to look for that one. Hold on. Could have swore we looked for that one though before. Gary Network. Let's see. Gary Network Tether. Qcoin, CoinX. I guess I'll go with Qcoin unless you want something else. You want Gary US Dollar, or you want Gary Kraken, or you want Gary Network Tether? Jeez, Kevin, you're trying to make everyone rich. I ain't going to stop until I make everybody fucking rich. I'm so pissed at them. I'm so pissed at Vanguard and BlackRock. Fuck them. Taking all our money, taking my money for 5.5 years. Fuck you. OKK or Qcoin. Qcoin. So you don't want Kraken, you want Qcoin. All right. Let's take a look. In a book, Reading Rainbow. Let's take a look. All right. First thing we're going to look at is what's happening on the higher time frame for this thing. What is happening on the higher time frames? So we're going to go to a weekly. Let me see what she looks like. It looks like a sell. It is. Sell, machine gun, weekly. Now we're going to flip off the weekly, and we're going to make sure on what we're seeing. We're going to come over to here, and we're going to go to current. Oh, well, let me give you a hint here. That's pretty obvious. It just fired off a shit ton of sells right there. And of course, you'd have made money on every one of those, and it went straight down. So is there anything more current for him to be able to trade currently? Let's take a look at the 30-seconders. Look at how fucking easy this is made trading. Anybody can do it. If you know that fucking Well, we're using blue and orange over here at the moment. It's going to be a blue-green. All right. So something more current. 15-second sell. All right, so cool. So that was easy. Now, if you want me to do a full-on read of the thing, let's go over to here. Let's go over to our 1 hour. Let's go over to here. Nothing current because their 1 hours right here were sell, sell. That's what was calling out automatically. Let's go to the 4 hour and see. 4 hours still dropping. 4 hours still dropping. Filled in the gap is filled daily, 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 weekly, weekly sell. Hold on. Let's go to the monthly. Oh, yeah, I remember reading this for somebody last week. I swear I did. Maybe it was him. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, that's bad. So we have a daily sell. It's too late. You should already been in that trade, made your money. 4 hour sell. It's still going to dip. Let me see where that daily blue was. Damn, doesn't have enough history for a daily blue. This thing's not that old. Sell 4 hour, sell 2 hour, sell 1 hour, 15 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute buy. Hold on. I'm trying to get them somewhere in the range of, oh, fuck. It's forming another 3 minutes. Sell 2 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute buy, 1 minute, 30 second. Come on, it can't go down forever. What the fuck? I don't know about this one, unless you're shorting this thing. 15 second. 15 second buy to the 15 second blue line. That's such a short trade. 15 second buy to the 30 second blue line. Gary, whatever the fuck this thing is. 15 second buy. I'm desperately trying to find him some buys for him. But the reality is, sell Gary. After this reboot of a little bounce up here, it's going to come up in between this thing right here. It's going to hook on the 1 hour and come back down again. Gary, 15 second, 30 second buys. Gary, 1 hour, 4 hour, sell. Gary, daily is going to reboot on a daily, sell. Weekly, Gary, sell. Monthly, that's so low I can't even read it. I won't tell you. So that's the readout on Gary, whatever the fuck. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know what it is, or it doesn't matter. It just doesn't. I'm trying to get you some positive news. I guess if you want to try those 15 seconds, give it a go. Alano. What's up, Alano? That's GAR USDT. Well, he asked for KuCoin, so I did KuCoin. NAS 100, already been done to death. We're in a trade, multiple trades. It was a buy, but I'll check it out for you again. NAS 100. Look, this is how you guys got to learn to trade. Okay, everybody out there, please let me hold on. I don't know why the fuck we're having all these troubles here. Hold on. Real direction bar, I don't know. Now, let me see something here. If you guys, there we go. Now, how do I get this better? If you guys can't see hold on. Oh. I'm trying to just make it so it's so much easier visible, and I'm failing miserably. There we go. Okay. think we're getting closer. Oh, that's better. Okay. So now, inside of here, and including the sniper, actually. Inside of here, I'm going to teach you all how to trade. Forget what you think you know about support and resistance, L&O. Forget what you know about trading, disclosure, crypto. This is all you need to know. This is NAS 100. Blue line low, don't get in all that. You have three separate bars here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, up it goes. This is called out this morning through our signal service 100% accurately. Right here, we have a Discord room, tier 3. You can come over to the signals, and it'll say US 30, buy, stop, aggressive. So there's a buy, stop on US 30. The same thing as NAS. Look at this right in here. Just look at this. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. If you come over to SPX, the exact same formation. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. Up she goes. The exact same formation for US 30. Green, 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 red, buy, stop, up she goes. Simple as that. There's your money. So it doesn't matter whether that was NAS or any of them, they all trade together, so much so that we have a scanner that trades these three, US 30, NAS, and SPX. They always go together, always move the same way. One will lead, the others will follow, and there you go. So much so that we're going to have a signal based off that, hopefully by mid-July through the great Keith Palmer. So much so that this account started at $50. It's now at $430. And it's that easy. Yeah, that's a tiny account, I know. People wanted me to trade a small account. What the fuck? So there's your answer. Now, what is it going to do after that? I'll tell you exactly what it's going to do eventually. The rest of the day, you will see SPX continue to go up. And then eventually, this evening sometime after 6 o'clock, but before 9:30 tomorrow morning, there's a 90% likelihood that this is what you're going to see right here. You're going to see these flip to red. Now, let me be clear. When this, say, with US 30, the first one flips to red, it turns to come down. That means it's crossed this blue line on the 32nd. You all should play the next two, boom, SPX and NAS to come down. Once they do that, let me be clear, then you should play demo money only. Sell stop, for instance, maybe on NAS next. And then here, and you'll see these flip. Will it happen tonight for sure? Nothing's for sure. Will it most likely happen tonight? Yes, it will. Can it happen if they announce some bullshit news? Yes, it can. Okay? So that's what you need to look out for. There is no more buys. I can go over there and tell you if you want to see some buys. Hold on. And I'll tell you if there's any shorter term buys. There is long-term buys. And yes, we're going to have signals based off the scanner, like I said, in just a little bit. Now, let's go over to here. And I'm going to show you why I'm holding my trades. I've been in a trade for 3 weeks. It's up $211 on a $57 account. But why? Why would Kevin stay into something like that for that length of time? Well, let me show you. It's in a book. Looky look. Here. Now in this one, we have what's called the sniper. It's unbelievably effective. When the sniper comes up on the weekly to its blue line, I will sell one of those two trades that I have open. So in the meantime, I just called you how it's going to do on a sell stop. But this is what you guys can play. Here it is, almost up. We're going to go ahead and call. Play any 15-second through daily buy stop until this pink line comes to the blue line weekly, NAS, SPX, and US 30. You can play all the buys you want. Once it starts rising up, I can show you time after time where it called off so many buy stops. It's crazy. Watch. This is amazing how our system has rules. The sniper shows us what to do. And then in reality, we have signals called out with these. It's the fucking coolest thing you've ever seen in your life. So let's head over to this chart. Come over to here and take a look. There's our signal in. So this would have been our buy-in. And here they are. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. All correct. You take the first three, all of them in the money. Here it is again. Buy stop, buy stop. I mean, there's 15 to 20 buy stops all correct. 15 to 20 buy stops all to correct. These are signals generated. Buy stop, buy stop. Look at it. Until when? When does it start to come down? On the weekly. Let's go back. So I'll show you when this will be over with or rebooted right here. Watch. So when the weekly one came to the top right here, and then it started to flatten out. No, this isn't a CSR, RSI, PPI, TPI, MPI. This is a fucking custom indicator that no one knows the settings of except for my loving wife and, well, one other person. Two other people, actually. And that's it. Look. So until this one comes up, fills the gap, touches this yellow, which it's almost there. I might even close one down. The first one closes here. But I like it when it goes up. We're going to start seeing a whole bunch of machine gun signals. There's a weekly machine gun here. Watch. Remember last week we had the wrong one. Not anymore. There's the SPX weekly. There's the US 30. I told you it'd be coded. I told you it'd be corrected. I told you that we're going to have correct signals from the, I said monthly. That was wrong. We're going to have correct signals from weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, all the way down to 30 seconds. You'll have the correct signals for all those time frames. What's up, MC? Is there a re-entry? I explained everything to you. Oh, no. You're welcome. All right. Does everybody understand the power of the system? Does everybody understand the power of the system? Does everybody understand the power of the system if you follow the rules? My wife and I, Bree and I, through Keith's great coding, have given you a system that will now absolutely give you correct trades. And if it isn't over 80% of the time, I'll close the signal service. It's currently at 100% signal win. And I foresee it staying in the 90, 95 win rate foreseeable future. I don't see any reason why it won't. You get the base. What you get for 575 is right here. Oh, let me see if I can use this thing. Look how fucking cool this is. Watch. Da, 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 da. You don't get the fuzzed out part. You get this, the bullshit detector indicator and all this up here. So what you get is right in between here. This is what you get. If you like the sniper, it's $150 a month. Isn't that cool? Just found out we can do that fucking thing. I think that's cool as fuck. That is so fucking cool to me. Look, it's all blurred out now. Who knew? I never knew you can. Look. They're so good. I don't have any affiliation with Ice Cream Recorder, but I love them. They're fantastic. You're welcome, Julius. Give us a little bit. We're still tweaking. We just put the weekly in today. It'll be in your charts soon. You know, give us a little bit of time for the repeating USD CHF. That'll be corrected too. And then bingo, boppo, bango. You guys are going to have signals that are going to be on fire. On fire. Thank you, Pete, for speaking up, Jack Wagon, because I am a horrible salesperson. But look at how cool that is. So yeah, you get what's inside the orange one for $575. If you want the sniper, it's $150 a month. If you want the signals, they range from $150 a month to $350 a month. All right, I got to go. I only have a couple minutes left. Anybody have any questions before I go? Please ask them now. Please ask them now. TikTok, any questions? YouTube, any questions? If you're sick and tired of listening to the same support and resistance and getting your ass handed to you, Alvin Augustine, yes, tier 3 is best. You're welcome, Pete. Well, Pete's going to be coming on here and doing this shit tomorrow morning. Peter P will be in the house. Please visit his YouTube channel too, by the way. Subscribe to it. You're welcome, Metalmine. You have a great day too, Flight 379. All right, I'm going to go on TikTok. I'm going to stay on YouTube. I like YouTube a little better. They give me a little more freedom to speak clearly without being banned. So see you on TikTok. God bless you all. Maybe tonight. We'll see. All right, you're welcome, Tom. You're welcome, Alvin and Julius. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? I would do any 15-second through daily buy stops on NAS and SPX and US 30 until let me get rid of this. Hold on. How cute is this thing? I just love that. Until this pink line down here on the weekly goes all the way up to that blue line, or the histogram bar green to the yellow hits, which is coming up soon. As I told you about for the last 3 weeks, and I traded with you, told you what to do, drew it out with you back then, and here you sit on 210 pips since 5.3, 20 pips since 5.17. 20 pips is outstanding for SPX. Outstanding. 210 pips is legendary. I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I just happened to get lucky. When you guys said you wanted to see me trade a small account, I happened to luck out with it being NAS. Oh, there's my timer. Being NAS being the one that SPX and NAS US 30 all being on their weekly buys. It was just pure luck, but I'm taking it. You can't deny the trade. Just like this one was at $0. Now it's at $18. This one was at 0. Then it was at $17, $20, $50, $60, $80, $100, $190, $210. You saw it every day, this trade going up. I've been holding it, telling you where it's going, and it's done it. Name another trader doing that live with you, and I'll go ahead and check them out. Go ahead. Another trader that made 210 pips live with you, called the trade, do the trade out, showed you through the Discord where it was. Go ahead. I'll wait. Ain't no one fucking out there doing it because they ain't got the system. If they had the system like you guys have, you can do it too. There's your weeklies, by the way. Oh, thank you, Keith. Thank you, everyone. Thank Keith. Look at this shit. Weekly buy stop. Look at NAS. Look at SPX. Gorgeous. Just look at that. WMG, baby. It's going to be your new favorite words. DMG and WMG. You guys are going to love that shit. Let me see if US 30 said it. Nope, not yet. Look at that. Now we have the weekly. Now we have the daily. Now we have the hourly. Now we have the 30-minute illy. We have them all. Fuck their algorithm. You know what's better than our algorithm? Me, Keith, God, Bree. That's what's better than BlackRock's and Vanguard's, Aladdin, and Thing. Get out of here. Compared to what we have, they have nothing. They have Tinker Toys. We're playing with real freaking ammunition here, and they're playing with Play-Doh. Look at it. Yeah. Yeah. And it works on every symbol, all over 1,000 symbols. Don't get me started on it. By the way, we are stand ambassadors, senior stand ambassadors. We're a top 50 store. We make a shit ton of money through this. The only way you're gonna learn this by unlearning everything you thought you knew about trading, relearning it. In order to master it, you need to teach it. We have 3 optional add-ons. I got to go over that with. Hey, Peter P. I got to go over these things with you. You're gonna have to write these down. Every time Pete does a live, he's gonna have to go over these with you too. It's just one of the things we do. So he has to leave as a disclosure, blah blah blah, all that stuff. Thank you, Peter P. I agree. Quentin, thank you for your wisdom. You're welcome, Quentin. Hope to see you back on tonight. Your life's been epic. Learn. Thank you, Boost. You're welcome, Chad. Thank you for getting Keith to give us the answer to that one. Appreciate that, Chad. What's up, Kelly? What's up, Keith? There. Oh my God, there's Keith. Are you still on, Keith? Oh my God, I didn't see him. What's up, Keith? The great Keith Palmer, the coder extraordinaire, great man, even better person. Hey, Keith, what's up, buddy? Yeah, he must have an ego the size of a fucking car as much as I talk about him. No, he really is a good person, though. Really is. Oh, I hope Keith's still here. Well, at any rate, y'all owe him a big attitude of gratitude. You owe him a big thank you. All right, I think we're done. I think that's everything. Oh, you're here? Awesome. What's up, Keith? Everyone should be thanking Keith Palmer. He's the great, great man behind all the code that you're seeing. He takes all my weirdness and how I trade and puts it into actually how to trade, like an actual signal. Keith went over the signals. This weekly thing is a work of God. It's calling out everything as wanted. Unbelievably effective. Look at gold. From the weekly buy on the gold, $223. $200 an ounce. What's the best broker working with your main system? Anyone you want, Thomas. It works with all of them. You can attach any broker. I don't give broker advice. Bruce, Typees, there's a special human being right there. Absolutely. Keith is a special human being. The man, the myth, and the legend. Yes, he is. He's doing so much for you guys. It's a lot of coding. I showed him all the different things we worked on, Keith, and that's not even all of them. I told him how we go through everything, these are just the ones that made the cut. Me and Keith go for hours and hours and hours trying to figure out the right order of operations. And then, of course, we get the right orders of operations and he codes it. You're welcome, Tom. You're welcome, Thomas. But yeah, anything, guys. Netflix, everything. Look at Netflix. Let's just do the weeklies. Let's have some fun. You guys call it some shitty symbols, and I'll call you what they're going to do. Here's Netflix weekly buy stop up from $554 to $600, almost over $90, $80. Here's AU 200. Correct buy stop. Look at it weekly. You guys should just do the weekly fucking signals, but no one's that patient. Look at them. Correct. Let's go to Ethereum. Weekly buy stop being called. XRP was already a buy stop. Went straight up when it was called. Still going to go up, by the way. USD JPY. Correct. You would have entered it in off the daily. Correct USD JPY through the roof. Odd USD. Weekly buy stop through the roof. There isn't something on here I can check. CAD Japan through the roof, all the way up. Hilton, perfect buy stop. Hilton, HK50, sell. It went down. It's not even in a buy yet. You can't call it. Litecoin, nothing. Oh, buy Litecoin. Weekly, daily buy Litecoin. GBP CHF. I can get rid of this, by the way. I don't know why these are here. GBP CHF, nothing? Really? Sell from here. You'd have waited for the daily. Sell twice. You'd have made shit ton of money on GBP. Works on buys, works on everything. There's a sell right here, but for GameStop, I want to point this out. I'm going to take a moment here so you guys can laugh your fucking ass off. We won't have the signals. Let me hold on a second. Hold. Let me go to GameStop here. Let me go to GameStop here and see something. Okay, so we can go from here. Hold on. Because I want to show you what it looks like on the... We'll go from here. I want you guys to see what this looks like on our... Oh, I don't know if we can go that far back now. Motherfuck. Gosh darn limitations. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know where our line is, but yeah. These are all buy stops on the way up, 30-second, 1 minute. Before it rose, that's the rise. You see it? So the signals called out GameStop's buy on the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute before anything. They're all right there. These are blue. These are your buys. All before the big movement up. Matter of fact, let me tag this one. So let's tag it. Put that there. And now let's go back to our regular here. And let's go here. Yeah, look at it. Look what it calls. Holy fucking shit. The first one, you can't go back far enough. They don't give enough history, but this one they do. This is when the first buys on the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minutes started to call out the buys for GameStop. Look. You would have caught all that. Let's go back to our weekly. Weekly sell. It's an interesting call right there. I'd have to look at that one. Japan 225. Hold on, let me get rid of these things. No weekly? They didn't have, well, is this one down here? Yeah, they have a weekly trade right here. Wow, that's a long fucking time ago. Wow, that's a lot of fucking money on this one, whatever JP is. And then the Gary thing. So pick any of them. Oh, I could try Microsoft. I don't think I tried Microsoft. Should be one right in here. Nope, they don't even have one. Oh, we're not on the right one. Hold on. I'm not on the weekly. It was on the hourly. Now let's check. There they are. Shit. Now I have to go back to those other ones. Like, motherfucker. There it is. There's a machine gun for weekly JP225. Let me see Apple. Apple's calling for a sell right now, but I bet you anything. Hold on. It's going to be a monthly. It is. Apple, weekly, monthly buy stop. We don't have the monthly program. We don't have enough history to program it. So I can't. So when you see a weekly sell, you need to check that it's not against the monthly buy. I can't do anything about it. We don't have enough history for it to flow. So we can't call monthlies. We can only call weekly dailies. Yes, it was, Peter P. Go over Google. Sure, I'll go over Google. Where's Google at? Oh, I forgot I do have to go. All right, Google's obviously. So this is a weekly sell. I guarantee you on the monthly, this was a buy. So this is a week. I said this is a weekly buy. You're on a monthly right here. It can't read the monthly. So as it reads this as a sell on the weekly, the W, it can't read this as a buy monthly. So that's what you're seeing on Google. Now that's Google monthly. We can go to daily. Hold on. Well, daily buy. It's a buy, and you should be seeing a whole bunch. Let's mark this shit right here. From this moment forward, you'll see a whole bunch of signals come out. Let's see if we see any right here for Kim. And we're going to go past our blue. There they are. So on Google, you would have had buy, 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 buy. All of them would have been correct. This is on the daily 1 hour, 15 minute, 30 minute. If you go down to the small one, which you guys don't have access to yet, but you will. And where is that thing at? Hold on. Hell, I don't even know. Oh my goodness gracious. Hold on a second. How can I do this to get it? I might have to go up to 1 minute. I bet you it's back here though. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Hold on. It's going to be way, I don't even know if we can go that far back. Yeah, we can't. So I can't do anything. The most current one I can do on a 15-second will be these buys right here. Let me mark that. And then here. And then let's go back out of this chart. This is so fucking cool. Let's go here. Yeah, so it called it. So that second line right here. And now you should have a shit ton coming up. My bad. There should be a whole bunch more buys from this point on. You'll see a whole bunch more. We can go down to that level too. So here they are. Let's see. So from that light blue line right here, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, all going to be correct. Watch. All of them up. Buy, 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 up, 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 up. And then some more, but here's another buy. You only take the first one on these ones. Up, 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 up. And so on. So yeah, there's some more. First one right here you take, and that's another buy. Buy, 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 buy. So yeah. Now, if you want to know what else is going to do coming up, let's take a look at the hourly and see what we got. Nothing to do. It's already set. 15 minutes. I would play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15-minute buy stop until the pink line gets to the blue line on your sniper for Google. That's how I play it. I'm already in the signal service called it. Nice, Kim. I hope you're making money. All right, guys, I got to run. I'm way past time. All right. God bless y'all. Good luck with everything. Have fun trading. Don't forget, keep taking these trades. Boom, 24 pips. and 215 pips on a fucking SPX buy. Legendary. I don't care. I'm giving God all the glory. I'm not taking any of that. Holy fuck, is that amazing. All right, guys. Good luck. God bless. Maybe be on tonight. Talk to y'all later.